All right, today we're going to bring a couch assistant setup, and this one comes with instructions. No tools necessary on this one, right? Look who's coming here to help us out. No tools necessary on this one. They're all aluminum poles coated, so this is perfect for indoors, outdoors. We're going to put it together and see how it looks. All right, here's the final result, guys. Now, this thing can actually widen. You can take these out completely, all right? These things right here, they come out easily and they widen. This is the actual widest it goes right now. I could actually go inner. Now, it does have different levels. For those that are a little smaller or taller, you could adjust it. And these are the actual grips. If you guys can see, the bottom base goes underneath. And the reason it's longer is because it has to be balanced. And when you put weight to it, you could get up from it. So this could go underneath of it, underneath the couch, underneath the seat, or wherever you're at. But this is the only bar they're gonna hit. Once it goes underneath, you're able to lift. So I'm gonna show you how it looks. So this is how it's supposed to be, and the bars actually hang over wherever you're sitting at. So if you have somebody individually sitting in here,